Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to import reviews from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So the first thing you're going to have to do is to go to CJ Dropshipping and look for a specific product that you would like to export the review on. For example, this product over here. To export it, you're simply going to scroll down and you're going to have to click on buyer reviews over here. You will be able to see this option, export reviews, and when you click this, you will be able to download a CSV of all the reviews over here. After that, you're then going to go to Shopify, click on apps, and you're simply going to search for product reviews. And you will be redirected to the app page, and let's see. Over here, as you can see, there is the option product reviews. Simply select this and you're going to have to install this into your Shopify store. Now after that, you will be able to import or export a CSV, as you can see here, so that you will be able to import and transfer a CJ Dropshipping reviews into your Shopify store, as you can see here. And simply install it and apply it to the store that you have in Shopify. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.